wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best sandcastle kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, with 27 pieces, the coolsand molds and tools offers everything a child needs to build a mini palace. The parapets, towers and bridges measure approximately 2.5 inches wide and feature an array of attractive details. It's appropriate for ages 3 and up and great for kinetic sand. However, it's not ideal for making big structures. At number 9, an alternative to traditional models, the haba spilling funnel mixes dry material and water in a transparent container to create dripped creations. Its bright green handle is easy to hold and the entire thing breaks down into separate parts for cleaning. It's made of BPA-free plastic and can be used to write words, but it does have a tendency to clog. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Fostering both motor and counting skills, the Melissa and Doug Seaside Sidekicks is an educational option for children aged 24 months to 4 years. Each bucket features decorative sea creatures, including an octopus and a starfish. They sport bold painted numbers and are a high-quality construction. The pails nest inside each other. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sandcastle kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Hape Master Bricklayer is a basic set with 3 simple pieces. You just fill the mold, level it off with the smoother and flip it over. The sturdy rectangles it creates can then be stacked on top of each other and further sculpted with the shaping tool. It comes in child-friendly colors, and the shaper has straight and wavy edges. The spade can be used for digging too. Moving up our list to number 6. Specifically made for sculpting, the Can You Dig It sand tools help intermediate and advanced builders achieve a professional look. 6 scrapers in various shapes are ideal for carving stairs, windows, and precise lines. It includes a straw and was designed by an award-winning artist. It's suitable for kids and adults. Halfway up our list at number 5, the flexible flyer brick builder comes with 2 rectangular blocks for creating forts and other structures, plus an oval tower for adding decoration. When playtime is over, the pieces fit inside each other for compact storage. It's also suitable for snow and has a non-toxic finish. It's made in the USA. At number 4, unlike most models that are made of plastic, the Lovelotte Eco Beach toy is crafted from biodegradable bamboo fiber. The set comes with a scoop, a rake, a trowel, a bucket with a sturdy hemp rope, and a canvas tote. It's equipped with ergonomic handles for small hands and comes in a recyclable box the company gives to clean ocean causes. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Sand Pal Beach and Snow offers basic rectangular, pyramidal, cylinder, and dome shapes for crafting elaborate structures in the summer and winter. Made from high-quality materials, it's durable enough to last for multiple seasons. It includes small and large molds with easy-to-use release mechanisms. It all comes in a mesh carrying bag. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sandcastle kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, a good option for those looking to build a substantial palace, the Creator Castle Split Mold features sturdy forms that can accommodate a large amount of material and includes stainless steel release latches for convenient use. It makes very detailed towers and is available in a 5 or 6 piece set with 3 tools for sculpting. And taking the top spot on our list, the Storybook Kids Explorers Club Beach boasts 4 intricate molds in green, pink, yellow, and blue that deliver elaborate fortresses in one step. It's simple, visually striking, and comes with a rhyming children's book with charming illustrations. It's relatively large and can also be used to haul water. It includes a backpack with adjustable straps. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sandcastle kits, or simply click beneath this video.